Hello, everyone. Welcome back to a new episode of How Tech It's Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import your transactions in the YNAB application. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how to import transactions in YNAB. Firstly, log into your YNAB account by clicking on the Login option in the top right corner of the screen. The home page of YNAB will appear on the screen. Click on the YAP icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the top-down options, click on View All Budgets. On the next page, tap on the Budget option or box, and you can see your budget. Now, go to the All Accounts option, which is the home icon on the left side of the screen. Click on the File Import option and import your transactions by choosing your files from the hard drive. This is how you can import your transactions into your YNAB account quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.